And it goes a little something like.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Bethany Lynn. If you're new here, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you guys for tuning in. I am back with another video. I haven't been on here for a while, and I know I haven't, so I was like, let me hop back on here, get back into these videos. So yeah, I'm here doing a makeup video, an eyebrow tutorial. I am doing let's see, eyebrow pencil versus eyebrow pomade. So yeah, first time using this, haven't used it before. This one, my go-to, always use this one. So I figured I wanted to try something different. Maybe take a walk on the wild side. Yeah, right. But anyway, I wanted to try this one and see how it works. So yeah, that's what this video is going to be about. And actually, I've already done my eyebrows. So if you guys can tell the difference, you're good. But I will show you guys which one is which whenever we get into the video. But before we get into it, oh y'all, and these edges get me every time. Anyway, so before we get into the video, I need you guys to remember, like, comment, subscribe, share, ring that bell, and turn those post notifications on for me. All right, I think we can get into the video. See you on the flip side. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. This one is with the pencil, and this is with a pomade. I don't know, I kind of like the pomade. I do like how smooth it goes on. I like how it's kind of creamy like that. I do like that. I don't know. I'm just so used to using a pencil. I think that's all it is. But I can't lie, I did like how this pomade went on. I did like how the pomade worked. But I think I might like the brow pomade. I might. So, I might have to switch it up. And so the pencil, yeah, it does its usual thing for me. It goes on smooth. I like the fact that I can have more control over it because I'm basically holding it like a pencil versus holding this little brush. It's a little bit harder for me anyway, me personally. You guys tell me down below what you guys think, but I think I might like the pomade just a little bit better. I'm not sure, but I always know that I am probably still going to use my pencil as a go-to. But maybe for right now, I feel like I'm going to start using a pomade instead, because I did really like how the consistency of it was, and it just went on a little bit smoother. So yeah, I think I like it. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Short, nice and sweet to the point video. And you guys, like always, like, comment, subscribe, share, ring that bell, and turn those post notifications on for me, you guys. That way you know when I'm posting for you, okay? All right, see you around in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace, love, and God bless.
You are a summer and after play.